Deen Buddy Quran chat. Quran study made simple. So very popular app. It's AI Quran daily verses and prayer app. Deen Buddy is your AI powered Quran companion. Get instant answers to Quranic questions. Receive daily inspirational verses and stay on track with accurate prayer time notifications. So AI Quran chat, ask any Quran related question and get AI powered answers. Understand meanings, tafsir, and historical context easily. Personalized responses based on authentic sources. So daily Quran verses, receive daily inspirational verses, bookmark and share your favorite ayahs effortlessly. Enhance your understanding of the Quran one verse at a time. Prayer time notifications, accurate prayer time alerts based on your location, customizable Atan notifications so you never miss a salah. Supports multiple calculation methods for accuracy. AI-powered Quran chat for instant insights. Daily Quran verses to keep you inspired. Prayer time alerts for timely worship. So minimalist experience. Quite nice app if you need an app in this area. And then you can just open it up. And that's it. So then basically you can just start chatting. It's kind of like a chat GPT. And then you just answer